Hey guys, welcome to question FM181 of the Further Maths Fortify study guide. This question reads, Vincent inherits $717,000 from his late father and invests this sum at an interest rate of 4.12% per annum compounding quarterly. Question A asks us, what is the value of Vincent's investment after 2 years? Write your answer in dollars, correct to the nearest cents. Now there's a couple of ways to answer this question. You could use Finance Solver, but we're going to use the formula today. So the base formula is the nth rule formula. So we're going to use Vn equals V0 times 1 plus R over. Now you might have slightly different looking formulas. This is a formula that I use only because I think that it lays out exactly what's happening a little bit more nicely. So I've got my rate divided by the number of compounding periods per year, and then I've got the number of compounding periods per year times the number of years there. So because we're going to be looking for after 2 years, we know that there's going to be 8 compounding periods passed all up. So we are going to be looking for V8, which is equal to our initial amount, 717,000, which was deposited, times 1 plus our yearly rate is 4.12, but of course we're going to divide that into 4 because we want the quarterly rate being used here. And then we're going to take this to the power of 8. So I probably shouldn't have put n in there because it doesn't relate to this n over here properly, but I just want to lay out for you guys exactly what's happening here. So there's 4 compounding periods per year, and then we've got 4 compounding periods per year being multiplied by 2 years, which is what gives us this power of 8, as opposed to a power of 2 and not dividing this 4.12 by 4. Plugging this into a calculator, you should get a rounded answer of $778,255.11. Part B, let's start B over here. So part BI, part B says, suppose that at the end of each month, Vincent added $1,530 to his investment. So part I says, find the value of this investment immediately after the 4th payment of $1,530 is made. Write your answer in dollars, correct to the nearest cent. So for this question, I'm going to use Finance Solver, just showing you the 2 different ways that we can use this, or that we can answer these types of questions. Also, whenever we've got added payments happening within a compound interest question, we can't use an nth rule anymore. It gets, we'd have to use a recurrence relation, and seeing as this is after 4 payments, we would have to do 4 sort of sets of recursion in order to get to our final answer. So it's actually a lot easier for us to use Finance Solver to answer a question like this. So once I finish writing these in, excellent. So the number of the number of payment periods that we're looking for up here, we're looking after 4 payments. Our interest rate is 4.12. Our present value is going to be negative 717,000 because he is investing it. So he's losing that $717,000 for now. His payments, once again, negative 1,530 because he'll be putting that 1,530 into the investment, so he no longer has it. Our future value is what we're calculating for. Payments per year 4, compounds per year 4, and of course we always stay at end. Plugging this into Finance Solver and solving for the future value, we should get an answer of $753,215.15. That should be our rounded answer. Excellent. Now, part BII. I know I'm sort of skipping around the board here a little bit. Part BII says, assume Vincent follows the investment that is described in part I. Determine the total interest he would earn over the year. Write your answer in dollars, correct to the nearest cent. So the total value of his account after 1 year is $753,215.15. From this, we have to minus his initial investment, $717,000. And here's the slight trick to this question. We also have to subtract the payments that he's made. So we have to subtract the 4 payments of $1,530 that he's also injected into that account. That will leave us with only the interest. Plugging this into a calculator should leave you with an answer of $30,095.15. Guys, if you have any questions about any of these 3 answers, please drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.